Whoa, lady, relax. Me and my brother, we just want to know if y'all can help us out.
I said back off! Carly.
Seid ihr
Are you
unbewaffnet?
armed?
Yeah, for protection. Dead could be anywhere.
But, I think you got the upper hand here.
Why do you need gas?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Da sticht er natürlich
Lee,
in den
why don't you and
Wespennest.
Mark check the place out, see if it's legit? I'm going with you. I got your back if anything seems fishy.
So, what are y'all thinking?
Ja.
You've got a deal. We'll bring some gas to your dairy. In exchange, you give us some food to bring back. We'll see how it goes from there.
Sounds fair. A couple gallons should power one of our generators for a while.
Okay.
So, this dairy, you guys really have food?
Sure do. We lost most of the cattle, but we still have lots of milk, butter, and cheese stocked up.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
It's nice to get away from that motel for a while. This Lily Kenny thing is starting to get ridiculous. Personally, I'd be happier if you started to take charge more.
You think they'd want me for a leader?
Sure, everybody looks up to you
Well, not everyone thinks I'm so trustworthy.
because of your past. Does anyone else know?
Larry.
Larry knows.
Great. That can't be easy.
Clementine might know. She was there when we were talking in the drugstore and asked me about it. I lied to her, but
What exactly did happen
Hab
with the
sie nicht
senator?
wirklich angelogen. Ich hab ihr nicht alles gesagt.
you know what happened.
I only know what the press was told. I don't know your story.
Sometimes I wonder if I should talk to the group about it.
You don't have to. Whatever happened before things went to hell doesn't matter anymore.
Not sure everyone would see it that way.
Maybe you're right. Listen, over the years, I've reported on some pretty messed up shit. I've seen situations like yours 100 times. It doesn't have to make you a bad man.
I really appreciate that.
I mean, thank God Lee showed up when he did. Right, Lee?
Yeah, why don't you tell us a little more about yourself, Lee?
Where are you from?
Ich bin in Macon
grew up in Macon.
aufgewachsen.
Right here in the heart of Georgia. That's what I like to hear. Y'all seem pretty settled in at that motor inn. Who's running things over there?
Es ist eine Art Demokratie.
All of us
Irgendwie.
looking out for each other.
I hear that.
Außerdem müssen
There's
die...
so many dumbasses out there fighting
Genau,
each other
nicht
these days.
alles.
It's just stupid.
Ne?
How many people you got over there
Die
anyway?
fragen uns schon ziemlich aus.
Enough to defend ourselves.
Well, that's
Schön,
good.
schön vage
Getting
bleiben.
dangerous out there. Well, you guys know. Well, we'd love to get you all out to the dairy. Like I said, we got plenty of food, and quite frankly, we could always use an extra helping hand.
Aber...
In the summers, I used to help out on a goat farm.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
great. Everything helps.
Mama's been running the dairy for, well, as long as I can remember, but now it's...
You
getting-
think you're gonna cut me out of this?
Was ist jetzt los?
No one's trying to cut you out of anything.
You and Gary are always pulling this shit.
Bandits.
Who? Haven't noticed.
Those look like the people who
Calm
raided
down,
my
your
camp.
paranoia is pissing everyone
Who are
off.
they?
Fuck you. You knew we were hungry, and you guys were keeping it all
There's
for
only two of
yourselves.
Oh no, there's
Yeah, and you
a
know
lot
what?
more.
We ate it all. What are you gonna fucking do about it?
Don't worry, Danny and I got you covered if something happens, but let's just wait this out and hope they move on.
Fuck you. Fuck you,
Ja klar, ruf
Jesus!
nur
asshole.
Zombies her.
The world out here has gone to shit. Come on, let's get to the dairy where it's safe.
Gegen die Zombies hilft ja einfach ein Zaun hoch genug und alles. Aber gegen so Deppen, da hilft kein so Stacheldrähtchen da. So, zuallererst mal, guten Tag, ihr Leid. Weiter geht's mit The Walking
There
Dead.
it is. St. John's
Und sie haben
Family
wirklich nicht
Day.
gelogen. Also ich weiß nicht, ich bin da immer noch nicht so.
Y'all can see how we kept this place so safe.
Ja, man muss ja vorsichtig sein, aber zumindest
You
das
betcha. They
Elektrozaun.
fry like
Aha.
bugs in a zapper. We're pushing 4,000 volts through that thing with generators and amps.
I'm going to assume that's a lot.
So, das scheint die gute Mama zu sein.
We've got kids in our group. Doesn't seem safe to have them near a lethal fence.
Oh, don't worry about that. We got plenty to keep them entertained.
This place looks untouched. You'd never know the rest of the world is in ruins.
It's worth protecting. Hence all the juice.
I thought I saw y'all with company coming down the drive.
Guys, this is our mama.
I'm Brenda St.
Ach,
John,
Mama.
and welcome to the St. John Dairy.
This here's Lee. He's from Macon.
A couple of our old farm hands were from Macon. They grow 'em good there.
They got a few more friends staying at the old motel.
Oh my goodness, that place is pretty vulnerable. Have you got someone with survival experience to lead your group?
Ich habe alles unter Kontrolle. Wir
We'll
arbeiten
work
zusammen.
together. Plus, we've got plenty of
Mach
people
mal ja
with
wirklich.
military experience.
Well, that's
Irgendwie.
good to hear. That motel ain't the safest place. Now that y'all are here, we'll make sure you're safe and comfortable.
We're awful hungry.
Ich sag einfach, wie es
These are for
ist.
y'all. Baked fresh this morning.
ist denn das?
Amazing.
Can't get stuff like that anymore. Not without a cow for milk and butter, that's for sure.
That's
Irgendwas mit
right.
Milch und Butter, aber was ist das? Sah
Hopefully
irgendwie
Maybelle will
grün
make it through
aus.
this bout of whatever she's got and be with us for a good long while.
Your cow is sick? What's she?
We have a vet. We could bring her here. We can help you folks out.
A vet?
Hat er einen Punkt.
Oh my!
Wir haben wirklich eine
Our prayers have
Veterinärin.
been answered.
Maybe our whole group could come for the day.
Well, how about this? Y'all go get your veterinary friend and I'll prepare some dinner. A big feast for all you hungry souls. It'd be nice to have some folks to help out around here again. Danny, why don't you come help me out in the kitchen?
Sind das
Why
eigentlich
don't
nur
I
die
head back with the
3?
food and round up everyone for the trip over here?
Might want to take someone with you. Remember, those roads can be dangerous.
I can handle myself.
Take this. Why don't you go ahead and take Ben along anyway?
Take care of yourself, Lee. See you in a while.
Mark, Lee, why don't you take a look around? Once you get settled in,
Ich
I could
weiß
use some help
nicht,
securing the
warum ist
perimeter.
Mark nicht
Is there a
mitgegangen.
problem?
Oder ich.
Sometimes the
mir
dead
irgendwie-
get tangled up in the fence before they fry and end up knocking over a post. It'd be a big help if you could walk the perimeter. You can learn a little something about our fence. I'm gonna go top off the generators before they run dry. Come get me when you're ready.
You betcha. This place is incredible. It's got food. And that fence? Oh man, that fence. If we play our cards right, this might turn out to be a place we can stay. So how do you want to play this?
Also wir sollten ihnen auf jeden Fall mal helfen. So gut. Ich bin immer noch nicht so
The way Brenda was
hundertprozentig.
talking, I get the feeling like she'd be
Ich bin nur
happy to have
vorsichtig,
us
sagen wir es
stay.
mal so.
All the more reason for us not to fuck this up. If Andy needs some help securing the perimeter, then that's what we do.
So, können wir uns also ein bisschen umgucken. Erstmal einen Lattenzaun angucken. Ja, der ist jetzt... Also ja, das ist ja jetzt nicht die Hauptverteidigungslinie.
Ui.
Ja, ich meine... okay, kein Ding, ne? Ist nicht die Hauptverteidigungslinie, wie gesagt. Das ist dann dieser Zaun hier, den ich mir definitiv mal angucken werde. Steckdose.
You can definitely tell
Oh.
they built this thing themselves.
Ja, okay. Was gibt's da hinten? Erstmal, ne, alles in Ruhe auch angucken. Eigentlich gar nicht mal so schlechte Idee, ne? Also ja, ne, Verteidigungszaun so. Hoppala. Aber da drum halt noch so ein, und wenn's nur ein
Too
Jägerzaun
bad it's
ist.
broken. I'll bet Clementine and Duck would have loved something like this to
Das
play
ist
on.
jetzt schnell repariert,
Kids
glaube
used to
ich.
like that old swing even more than the tour sometimes.
I'll bet.
So, darf ich versuchen, sie zu reparieren?
Mind if I fix it?
Sure, that'd be great. Mama sure does appreciate y'all helping out.
Looks like it just needs a new board for the seat and some rope. Make it safe for Clem and Duck. And let the St. John's know we can pull our weight around here.
So, weiter geht's. Okay, nein, wir lassen uns einfach gar nicht stören von dem Mädel hier. Okay, ja, alles klar. Kriegen wir hin. Ich bin hier ausgebildeter YouTuber. Das ist ein Ausbildungsberuf, muss man 3 Jahre machen. Da muss man mit allen Unwägbarkeiten, wird man da konfrontiert. Katzen, Hunde, Kinder. Ich kann alles ab. Außer eine Katze, die über die Tastatur laufen will. Da kriege ich dann so langsam Probleme. Komm mal her, Mädchen, komm. Tut mir leid. So. Wie hoch ist wohl die Chancen, dass sie wegbleibt? Nicht sehr hoch. Wir werden sie gleich wiedersehen, keine Angst. So. Ja, keine Angst, die wird nachher oder jetzt ordentlich geknuddelt. Hallo Mädchen, wieder da? Ja, und dann kommen doch, ja gut, jetzt sitzt sie neben mir, auch in Ordnung. Aber wir müssen hier weiterspielen, also, bisschen mit Mark reden.
So what's your read on Andy so far? Think they'd be open to letting us stay?
Also das Gelände zu sichern, ja.
We'll be getting in good and making this place safer for us.
I'm gonna get back to it.
So, jetzt noch ein bisschen mit Mark reden. Oh, Moment. Hier ist noch was. Gatter? Nein, das benutzen wir nicht. Wir gucken uns mal den Generator an.
What's that?
Generator. You guys come along with gas just in time. Hey, don't mess with that, okay? The thing's a little tricky and I don't want to spend
Keine
half a day
Angst,
trying to
ich
fix
hätte
it
da, also
again.
da will ich die Flossen weglassen. Definitiv. So, lass mal mit dir reden. Ich muss. So.
Hi.
Hä? Hi.
Well, I'm glad you guys decided to help us out. I noticed back at the motel that you folks are pretty well armed. Been stockpiling, huh?
Ja, uns kann keiner was. Wie viele Waffen
Scraped
habt ihr?
together a good supply in the last few months. How about yourselves? What kind of protection do you have around here?
We collected a few guns to protect ourselves, but we're really only using them when we go off the property. When we're inside the perimeter, the fence is all we need to keep us safe.
Ja, okay. Wie gesagt, genug Schutz gegen Zombies. Aber was ist mit den Ganoven da draußen? Sind wir
We
die
can't be
ersten
the
Gäste?
first people you've invited up to the dairy.
Well, no, we've made similar deals with other folks, trading for gas and food, but ultimately they moved on, looking for the people they lost contact with.
An electric fence is enough to keep out walkers?
Ich weiß nicht, ich würde doch hier
Is
nicht
that what you
weggehen
call
wollen.
them? That's good.
Also,
The old one wouldn't have, but Mac, he was our foreman. He figured out how to amp it up with the generators. We used to sit out here some nights and watch the sons of bitches sizzle and pop when they got too close. Closest thing to entertainment these days, I guess.
ja,
These
Wahnsinn.
generators are enough to power the whole dairy?
We got lots, and we got to keep trading for fuel as much as we can, but they all work together to do the trick. Like us.
Komm,
Mark and I can
lass
help
mal,
you
lass
with
mal
that
die Umzäunung
perimeter.
reparieren, ja?
Oh, good. The fence will stop a walker in about 3 or 4 seconds, but gets overloaded if we leave the husks out there.
You know, Mark and I can clear the fence ourselves if you want to stay here and finish up with the generators.
Well, that'd be great. I'll turn off the northwest section, and if you guys could strip them off and look for any weak points, well, that'd be a big help.
Sounds easy enough.
Stay attentive. You never know.
Ja. Man weiß ja nie. So, ich hätte auch noch rausgehen können. Das hätten wir vielleicht noch machen können. Okay. Schon jetzt sind wir draußen.
Do you think we're
Das ist ein
doing enough to get the
Riesengebiet,
St. John's
ne?
to like us?
Well, we don't want to seem over anxious. Showing them we can handle this fence is going to go a long way.
I can't wait until everyone's out here. Everyone besides Larry.
Why the hell did you have to tell him I thought he was a racist? As if tensions weren't high enough.
Sorry, man. It popped out. I mean, you did admit it right to his face.
Ja, komm,
That guy's a piece of shit anyway.
komm. Ey,
Relax.
sorry, aber
You're not making things any better.
ich sag, wie es ist. Da ist einer.
There's one.
Ist der schon crisp oder was? Wieso
Ugh.
zuckt denn der nicht noch oder so? Wie kriegt man die eigentlich ab?
Lee, it's dead.
Ich hab-
Come on, let's push it off.
Ja, aber da ist ein Pfeil. Stehst
The
du?
St. John boys are using this guy for target practice?
Ach so, ja, das kann natürlich
Poor
sein.
guy.
I don't know what got him first, the arrow or the fence. Either way, hope he was already dead.
Kann man, ich nehme den mal. Kann man den Pfeil nehmen? Ich meine, hey, was man hat, hat man, ne? So,
Andy said when
das
this fence
Licht
is
ist
working,
aus.
the walkers go up like a tree branch on a power line. If
Ja,
those
aber-
lights are out, that means the fence is off, right?
It better be.
Hätte ich mal vorher erst gar nicht dran greifen sollen. Das Ding ist, geht er jedes Mal aus, wenn Walker gebrutzelt wird? Also er hatte gesagt, wenn Pfosten umgestoßen wird oder so.
Who do you
Mal
think he
angucken.
was?
Vielleicht Farmarbeiter?
Maybe a farm.
Keine Ahnung.
I don't know. I hope he wasn't like this long before the fence finished him off.
Yeah.
Also gut, dann schieben wir mal den Zombie. Ah, ich würde vielleicht... Ja, nee, ist besser so.
Come on.
Junge, dem
I'm sure
seine
there's
Augen
still a
leuchten
few
noch.
more.
Once this fence is patched up, this place will be a fortress. God, can you imagine not having to worry about the walkers anymore?
The fortress needs people to defend it.
We've got enough people. So what's your take on the brothers? They seem to have this place tied down pretty well.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know. They seem decent enough. I just want you to know that I've got your back if anything goes down. That's all.
Thanks. There's another one.
I see it.
Okay, der hat den Zaun, oder sie hat den Zaun umgestoßen. Merkt ihr, dass die Musik so einen leicht bedrohlichen Unterton kriegt? Lebt bestimmt noch, aufpassen. Ja, die ist aber hartnäckig hier. Erstmal
Man,
angucken.
the fence burned right into its hands. Think they fused together.
Ja, okay, aber ich habe halt Angst, dass der Zaun reißt. Oder das Kabel oder so. Aber okay,
You never get used to the smell, do you?
Nope.
Nope. Okay.
Christ. I can't stop thinking about dinner.
Aber echt, hey.
Thanks for the rations earlier. It's not easy eating in front of the kids, but it's all that's keeping me on my feet right now.
Just try to focus on the task.
They knew what they were doing, teasing us with food and then giving us chores.
Having a good
Ja,
meal will be
komm,
worth
aber... Ai.
Come
Okay.
on. I think I see where they're getting in. This one must have knocked it over trying to get through. He's tangled up in there pretty good. Come on, help me get this thing back in place so we can get Mr. Crispy off
Die
of here.
We
Knusperlocke.
get better leverage from the other side.
Good idea.
Ich wette mit euch, dass da irgendwann
If you're waiting for that guy to help, it ain't gonna happen. Come
einer noch lebt oder so.
Little help here, Lee?
Hier. Irgendwann lebt er. Oder er macht gleich Strom drauf. Das wäre auch fatal. Ja, wie kommen wir... Okay. Wie kommen wir denn da jetzt rein?
Holy fuck! What just
Ah,
happened?
ja.
The fences are on.
Why the hell would he turn the fence on? He knows we're out here.
Alter.
What the?
Get to the gate.
Okay, hinter den Trecker. Was ist denn jetzt los?
Who the fuck is that?
No
Vereinbarung.
idea.
Fuck. Now what?
With the fence on, that gate is our only way out.
You fucked with us.
Okay.
Now we'll take what we want.
Ah ja, Traktor schieben, das ist eine gute Idee. Nicht Handbremse aufmachen. Was mit der Handbremse? Hat das Ding eine Handbremse?
Damn. Did you really think you could fuck with us?
Lee, hurry up.
Okay, komm. Sorry, ich muss mal ein bisschen...
Give us the food. Fuck you, son bitches up.
Mal da hinten gucken. Ah, das Ding da könnte man losmachen, ne?
Lee, get
Blades are
back
stuck in
here.
the dirt.
We had an agreement.
Ach, das Ding da los.
Now you behind the tractor.
Ah, achso, das ist ein Flug. So, jetzt probieren wir das Ding ein bisschen zu drücken. Drück. Das gibt's doch nicht.
You assholes. We had a deal. I already got one of you.
Ah. Kein Problem, kriegen wir irgendwie hin. Kann man das nicht ganz losmachen irgendwie? Nein. Was soll ich denn noch machen hier? Ich bin gerade ein bisschen... Ja. Ach, da ist ein... Ja, jetzt.
Reach the gate. We can get through this fence and back to the house.
Warum kommt die nicht näher? Nicht geliefert, was uns zusteht? Nicht gut.
What happened? Shit. It's one of the dead we pushed down earlier. Gonna have to move it.
Komm, mach weg das Vieh. Zum Glück ist das hier eine abschüssige Straße. Und das Traktor von alleine läuft. Sag mal, wie viel liegen denn hier rum? Kann ja wohl nicht sein hier. Weg da. Der lebt noch. Weg da. Das reicht noch nicht. Noch einer. Komm mal her. Hast noch nicht genug? Okay. Du bist ein Depp. Ja, schon irgendwie. Yeah. Ich bin ja schon genug weggekommen. Geh weg. Lass das. Ja, ich wollte mir noch ein bisschen umgucken. Ich hatte nicht an ihn gedacht. Ja, das kriegen wir hin. Mann, ey. So. Das ist er wieder. Das ist der, den man durch sich selbst teilen kann. So. Diesmal bin ich drauf gefasst und kratze mich dann erstmal. So. Alles klar. Zweimal treten. Und dann Kuh hämmern. Ich hämmer die Kuh. Ich hämmer das Kuh. So, zack. Sorry, aber schön mal ins Mikrofon gehustet. Tut mir leid. Normalerweise... Was ist mit dem da hinten? Der kommt mir hinterher. Kann ich da nicht was machen? Okay. Danke, ihr Deppen.
Let's get out of here.
Ja, und da kommen... Jetzt habt ihr das Tor aufgelassen. Und da kommen sie nicht hinterher? Warum war der Zaun an?
Lee, what's wrong?
Der elektrische Zaun stand unter Strom. Erstmal das.
The fence came on. Some people started attacking from the woods, and we got trapped between them and the fence.
Holy shit, are you okay?
I heard Mark yelling. Thought y'all were giving me the all clear. Man, I am real sorry.
Oh, my lord! What happened to you, sweetheart?
It was those bastards in the woods, Mama.
Yeah, I'll be alright once it's out. Damn, it hurts.
Junge.
Hey, y'all.
Mark! Oh my god, what happened?
He got shot with an arrow.
Christ, are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I should just pull it out.
Oh, no, honey. Come on. Brenda's got you. Come on inside now. We'll have you all
Wer ist
sorted
Brenda?
out. Well, you must be the vet.
Ist sie Brenda? Redet sie von sich in der dritten
Some people
Person?
on the way up here. Bandits, I guess. I think it was them that attacked us.
They gave us a lot of problems in the beginning. Killed a bunch of our farmhands. We were able to get them to stop by making a deal.
What you knew about these people? Food for protection. Not like we had much of a choice, but they did stop hassling us.
God damn it. Carly said this place was locked down tight.
Maybe it isn't as safe here as we thought.
Look, we're sorry. We never had them screw with us like this. Not since we started giving them food. Listen, we may have had an agreement with those people, but we will not stand for this shit.
Ain't no way we're gonna let those sons of bitches get away with this.
You know where these assholes are?
They're hard to pin down, but I think I know where at least one of their camps are. When you're ready to go scope out that bandit camp, come find us.
Bandits? Are you serious? This place isn't safe. We can't stay here.
Not safe. This place is a hell of a lot safer than that motor inn. I think all of us and our guns can handle a couple of punks with bows and arrows. What we need to do is find a way to get our whole group out here to stay. Take this place over if we have to.
Whoa, cool your jets there, Rambo. These are nice people. Let's not do anything to get us thrown out before we eat.
Ja, da hat er
I'm gonna head out
schon
and help Dan
recht.
deal with these bandits. You
ist
guys
trotzdem
should
Depp.
try to make friends with Andy and Brenda while I'm gone.
Well, that's easy. I got charm coming out of my ass.
Yeah.
Ja,
That's real charming, Dad.
definitiv.
Where's Ben and Carly?
Since Carly and Ben ate some of the food on the way to get us, she volunteered to stay behind and watch the motor inn until we get back.
Hey, I remember seeing kids in your group, so I went ahead and fixed that swing while you were out. I hope you kids like swings.
A swing. I love
A
swings.
swing.
Just like at my treehouse.
Wir haben vergessen, nach ihrer Mütze
Why
zu
don't you kids
suchen.
go and play on the swing, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Mann, das ist nicht
Anytime.
gut.
We're looking out for you.
Das, okay, da hinten müsste die Schaukel sein. Moment. Ah ja, da. Moment. Ich gehe gleich nachher gucken, aber erstmal gucken, dass sie erstmal sicher ist irgendwie. So. Benzinkanister. Ja,
They're
das sind aber,
storing gasoline all over the property.
ach, da ist noch was drin. Ah, ich verstehe. Sehr gut. Was haben wir hier? Nochmal eine
Doesn't
Steckdose.
look very safe, but I guess that's the point.
Ja, schon irgendwie. So, komm mal her, wir laufen mal ein bisschen schneller hier. Er wird ewig hier rumwackeln. So, pass auf. Jetzt, Vorsicht. Vorsicht, dass er sich nicht umstößt. So. Hier, Clementine.
Hey, Clem, do you like the swing?
Yeah, it's fun.
Be sure to tell Andy thank you, okay?
I will. Will you push me on it?
Aber sowas
Sure.
von.
Happy to push you on the swing. Mind if Clementine takes a turn?
All right, Duck. Let Clementine have a try for a bit.
Okay.
Okay. Tut schon der Hintern weh vom harten Holzbrett. Kenn ich. Aber das macht gar nichts. Das ist es wert. Also, wie
How
geht's
you
dir?
holding up, Clementine?
I'm okay, I guess. Are you okay?
Yeah,
Ja.
I'm just a little worried about Mark.
Is Mark going to be okay?
Ja,
Lucky
sicher.
out there. Could have been a lot worse.
Are you going to find the people who hurt Mark?
And we have to make sure they don't hurt anyone else.
Be careful. I want you to stay lucky, too.
Ever since I met you, I've had good luck, so don't worry.
Okay.
Also, wie findest du die
What do you think
Molkerei?
of the dairy?
It's pretty. It reminds me of how things used to look before.
Yeah, it does.
Do you think things will ever get back to how they were?
I'm not sure, Clem. I hope so.
I hope so, too.
Ich versuche halt
We're safe.
ehrlich mit ihr zu sein,
As long as the
ohne
bad
ihr
people don't get me too, right?
I
die
won't let what
Realität
happened to
vor
Mark
Augen zu
happen.
führen. Wenn er versteht, was ich meine.
I promise. All right, Clem. That's enough for now.
Okay, thanks for pushing me.
Of course. It's all yours.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Okay, Duck. Don't pop a gasket.
So, was ist denn das da hinten? Das ist Kenny. Ich dachte, Vorsicht, das kann...
Hey,
Hey, Lee. How's it going with the St. John's?
they seem like good people. If we do this right, I still think it could work out for us here.
Yeah, this place sure is a step up from that shithole motor inn.
I guess Lily isn't too thrilled about being here.
I could give two shits about what Lily wants. Duck and Katja need food, and I'm not about to sit around that motor inn and watch them go hungry. You're with me on this, right?
You're not making me pick sides, Kenny.
Well, you better think about it, because that time is coming.
Okay.
Did Duck and Katja get here okay?
Well, it wasn't easy. Duck didn't look so good on the walk over to this place.
Well, if everything works out, maybe he and Katja can have an easier life here.
I hope you're right. Duck and Clementine deserve a better life than starving to death at some crappy motel.
Okay,
How
geht's
you
dir so?
holding up?
I hope they feed us, Lee. Soon. On the way over here, I was getting dizzy. Hands shaking, cold sweats. Thought I was gonna pass out.
They've got food here.
Yeah, but I'm not just talking about one meal, you know?
I'm gonna go have a look around.
Don't wait too long to help scope out that bandit camp. Sounds like they're pretty amped up about it. This might be a good way to earn their trust.
Good idea.
Okay. Also ich sag's euch, wie es ist. Ich habe da ein bisschen Bedenken bei der Schaukel. Weil nämlich direkt hinter der Schaukel, jetzt im Rücken von Duck, ist der Zaun. Und es sind Kinder. Ja, der ist weit genug weg. Aber ich weiß nicht. Wenn ihr wissen wollt, also was ich damit meine, ich habe hier ein Let's Play What Remains of Edith Finch. Kind, Schaukel. Und ihr wisst, was ich meine. Okay. Wir gucken uns hier natürlich noch ein bisschen um. Benutze das Gitter? Ne, die Steckdose haben wir schon. Das hätte ich vorhin schon machen können. Komm, jetzt guck mal. Wir gucken da noch schnell, mal da reingehen können. Ja, klar. Warum auch nicht, ne? Ja. Ah, jetzt bin ich innen drin. Da ist ein Heuhaufen. Sind ein Haufen Leute. Das ist eine Scheune. Ich weiß, was in der dritten Staffel von The Walking Dead passiert ist. Die Scheune werde ich gut mir angucken. Aber erst morgen. Für heute sind wir jetzt erstmal an einem sicheren Platz. Ich hoffe jetzt, dass wir auch bald was zu essen kriegen und eine Runde sicher pennen können. Dann sage ich mal Dankeschön. Bis morgen. Okay?